Hello friends, today's topic is northwest corner method. This is one of the method to solve the transportation problem, which is basically the part of operation research. Now before proceeding, if you like video, please like, comment and subscribe to the channel. So first of all, let's get a basic idea why we are using this method. So under the operation research, the basic goal is to formulate the problem, build the mathematical model and to optimize the model. And under the mathematical model, three stages are there: decision variable, objective function and the constraints. So this is a basic idea of operations. So for this, we are using various methods. So one of the section is a transportation problem. So under that particular one, see, this transportation problem is basically similar to the standard LPP. So we will see that one. The main goal of this transportation problem is to minimize the total transportation cost. So suppose manufacturer is having the 4 plants like WXYZ and it is producing the same product. So in that case, if it wants to use the products from the 3 warehouses, that is W1, W2, W3, so how it can utilize that one, how it can minimize the cost, we will see that one. So transportation problem is basic. It is trying to create initial feasible solution. That feasible solution may or may not be optimal. So our target would be to achieve the optimal solution. So here we have the company and warehouses WXYZ, and the warehouses will be W1, W2, W3. So for this, we are going to simplify that particular transportation problem by using the various methods. But today's topic is northwest corner cell method. So in this one, we will only see balanced transportation model. Under the balanced transportation model, you need to make sure that the supply and the demand, the total of them should be equal. So here, the demand is equal to the supply. It is a balanced one. What happens if it is an unbalanced one? So we need to make them balanced. We will see that in the next one, but today we will just go through with the balanced. Okay, so how many methods we have for finding that particular initial feasible solution? So we have 3 methods. First one is northwest corner method. Second one is the least cost. Third is Vogel's approximation method. We also call it as a VAM. So let's see northwest corner method. I have listed down the steps. You can just take the snap of this one. We are going to follow all these steps while solving the problem. So the question is to find the initial feasible solution for the given transportation model by using northwest corner method or northwest corner cell method. So here companies or the plants is mentioned WXYZ and warehouses W1, W2, W3 like that. We have already checked this is a balanced model. If I say requirement under this is 100 and demand is also 100. So I can say that this is balanced situation. So we will proceed with this method. So first of all, in the northwest corner method, we should find out the most northwest corner. So this is the northwest corner, 10 number. So we will select this as desired cell. And now for this, you just find out its demand and supply. So demand is 25 and supply is 15. So now out of this demand and supply, so we are going to select the least value. So we have selected the least value. So subtract that least value from the demand as well as supply and change the value. So this value becomes 0. 15 minus 15 0 and this line is exhausted. Demand 25 minus 15 10. We will cancel out this one because already it has changed. Since the supply line is already exhausted, that is we have achieved 0 over there, so cancel out that. Now again you follow the same procedure. Search northwest corner or the upper left. Now for this one you find out the demand is 10. Is demand 10. Select that as a next that procedure. Subtract it. 10 minus 10 is 0 and here also 20 minus 10 get 10. 0 is achieved over here. This line is placed. Now do the procedure for the remaining one. Now demand is 26, supply is 10. The least of that is 10. Select that as a cell value. Now 10 minus 10 is 0 and here 26 minus 10, that is going to be 16. So we are going to follow the same procedure. So since 0 is achieved, it is exhausted. Now remaining, this is the next northwest corner. Demand value is 16, supply value is 30. So now you take the least value, that is going to be 16. Follow it. 16 minus 16 is 0 and 30 minus 16 is 14. Now since 0 is achieved over here, so this column will be exhausted. Demand is exhausted, so this line avoid. Now here for the remaining one, follow the same one, northwest corner. So this is the northwest corner. So 14 is the supply, demand is 49. So select the least value. Okay. Now 14 minus 14 is 0 and 49 minus 14 is 35. So select that particular one. Since 0 is already achieved over here, so this row is exhausted. Now we are left with this one only and this is the last block. So here you check that demand is 35, supply is 35. Both the values are same. So you can select either of them. Always the goal is that minimum you select. So 35 minus 35 is 0, and here also 35 minus 35 is 0. At the end you will see that both the lines are exhausted. Okay, and finally that means that since all the parts are exhausted, you can say that you have achieved the optimal solution. Okay, so now calculate the minimum cost based on this one, based on the selected cells. What is the selected cells? Wherever we have utilized that northwest corner, wherever we have indicated that, is going to provide you the minimum cost. Okay, so let's calculate. So the first value is 15 into 10. So select that 15 into 10. How I am getting this 15 into 10? The most northwest corner which I have selected, this one, 15 into 10. Then 10 into 5. So mention that, similarly follow till the 35 into 9 part. The total comes to the 703. So this is going to be our minimum cost. So this is all about that method of finding the initial feasible solution by using the northwest corner method. Okay, so thank you very much. And again, if you like this, please like, share, subscribe to the channel and join us on the YouTube. Thank you.